Today's story, The Empty Leash. His dog, Buddy, was gone. "Buddy!" Leo shouted. But no dog came. Let me start from the beginning. Chapter 1. A Boy and His Dog. Leo was 10 years old. He had a dog named Buddy. Leo loved Buddy. Buddy was brown and white. Every day, Leo played with Buddy. One Saturday, Leo said, "Mom, I want to take Buddy to the park." His mom replied, "Okay, but hold his leash." New word, leash, a long rope for a dog. Chapter 2. The park. The park was big and green. There were many trees and people. Leo walked with Buddy. Buddy was happy. Then Leo saw his friend Max. Max was on the swings. Leo wanted to play. He tied the leash to a bench. "Stay, Buddy," Leo said. Then he ran to Max. New word, park, a public area with grass. New word, swing, a seat that moves. New word, tied to attach with rope. New word, bench, a long seat. Chapter 3. Buddy runs away. Leo played with Max. He forgot about Buddy. Suddenly a car made a loud noise. Bang! Buddy got scared. He pulled the leash and it came off the bench. Buddy ran into the trees. Leo turned around. Buddy was gone. "Buddy!" Leo shouted. He searched everywhere. Behind trees, near the river. Nobody. Leo felt sad. New word, loud, big sound. New word, scared, afraid. New word, river, moving water. Chapter 4. Looking for Buddy. Leo went home. "Mom, Buddy is lost," he said. His mom replied, "We will find him." They made posters putting a photo of Buddy on them. They wrote, "Lost dog, please call Leo." They hung posters on trees and asked people, "Did you see this dog?" People said no. New word, lost, you do not know where it is. New word, poster, a big paper with information. 5. A woman at the shop. The next day, Leo went to the shop to display a poster. An old woman noticed the poster. "I saw this dog yesterday," she said. Leo's heart raced. "Where?" "Near the river. With a man." The man had a blue coat. Leo thanked her and ran home. New word, shop, a place to buy things. New word, coat, warm clothes for outside. Chapter 6. The Old Bridge. Leo and his mom went to the old bridge. It was far from the park. They looked around. No man, nobody. Then Leo heard a sound. Woof! Woof! New word, bridge, a way to cross water. New word, far, a long way. New word, woof, the sound a dog makes. Chapter 7. The man under the bridge. They followed the sound. Under the bridge, they saw Buddy. He was with a man. The man had a blue coat. Leo ran to Buddy. "Buddy!" Buddy wagged his tail. He was happy. "Is this your dog?" the man asked. He looked tired. Leo said, Yes. Thank you for taking care of him. The man smiled. He was lost. I gave him food. Leo's mom said, "Thank you, sir." The man had no house. He slept under the bridge. Leo felt sad for him. New word. Tired, you need to sleep. Chapter 8. A new friend. Leo had an idea. "Mister, do you want to come to our house? You can see Buddy again." The man looked surprised. "Really?" Leo's mom smiled. "Yes, you helped Buddy. We want to help you." New word. Help. To do something good for someone. The man's name was George. He walked with them to their house. At the house, Leo's mom made soup. George ate the soup. He looked less tired. Buddy sat next to George. He liked George. New word. Soup, warm food in a bowl. Chapter 9. A happy ending. Leo's mom made phone calls. She found a small room for George. A kind woman had a room. George could live there. New word. Kind, nice, good to others. George moved into the room. It was warm and clean. He was happy. Every week, Leo and Buddy visited George. They drank tea together. New word. Visit, to go see someone. One day, George said, "Leo, you lost your dog. But because of that, I found a home. Thank you." New word. Home. A place where you live. Leo smiled. Buddy found you. He knew you were kind.